Hello guys, today we're gonna be making airplanes. Okay, first, if you're doing this, we cover it like this. Like this. We open it up back like this. Like this. And then this. You flip it back over. And then you do this. Turn it like this. You do this. Then you do this. And then once you have done that, you turn this like down. The other thing I did before. And then you turn this up. Once you turn this up, you turn this around because this is gonna be a real. Wait, no. Now you turn up. You do this, but this not gonna be your front. The back is gonna be your front. And then you turn it around. And actually do it like this. And then it's gonna look kind of like an airplane, and it's gonna look good. And now this is how you make. Okay. And then if you see this, you see that there's a pocket right there. So you have to kind of bend it. Like this. I'm gonna upgrade it by doing the leaves. Now you secure it and then you fold it down and you fold the other part down. But for some extra, you have to fold it, like put your thumb right there and then try to, like, you're trying to rip the paper, but don't rip the paper. You try to do it where it makes a booster, and then this goes right here, and then you've done the booster and now you're done. Now wait, look at my airplane. Now let's go fly them.